Solved problems. Making a statement of comprehensive position. Problem. Performance task number 1. Making a statement of comprehensive position. Transactions of market manufacturing. Market manufacturing gave you the following records in their accounting books as of fiscal year September 2020. All values are in thousands of pesos. The company is celebrating its 5th anniversary. Accounts payable has a balance of 154,300 at the beginning of September. During the month, the business has purchased additional equipment to be used in the production of 60,200 on account. Customers on account increased to 120,000, 5% of which is considered uncollectible based on the company's experience. Cash ledger showed a balance of 44,500, while the money kept in the cash register had a total of 26,300 at the end of the month. The building where the business is located had a value of 580,000 with a net depreciation of 20,000. The business bought land in the city priced at 500,000 by issuing a note payable in 5 years. The physical count of merchandise inventory amounted to 100,000 at the end of the month. The ending capital of market manufacturing at the end of September 2020 is 710,500. Solution. Step 1. Let us prepare the balance sheet as on 1st September 2020 to find out the cost of equipment at the beginning. In the books of market manufacturing balance sheet as on 1st September 2020. On the liability side, accounts payable 154,300, capital 710,500, total liabilities and capital 864,800. On the asset side, cash 44,500, petty cash 26,300. Buildings less depreciation 580,000, less depreciation 560,000, net buildings. Equipment balancing amount 234,000, total assets 864,800. Step 2. Let us prepare the income statement to find out the profit during the month of September 2020. Statement of income for the month of September. Sales 120,000, less bad debts 114,000. Closing stock 100,000. Total income 214,000. Profit 214,000. Step 3. Let us prepare the balance sheet as on 30th September 2020 considering the transactions during September 2020 balance sheet as on 30th September 2020. On the asset side, cash 44,500, petty cash 26,300. Accounts receivable 120,000, less provision for bad debts 6,000. Net accounts receivable 114,000. Closing stock 100,000. Land 500,000. Buildings 580,000, less depreciation 20,000, net buildings 560,000, equipment 234,000, add additions 60,200, total equipment 294,200. Total assets 1,639,000. On the liability side, accounts payable 154,300, add for the year 60,200, total accounts payable 214,500, notes payable 500,000, capital 700,500, add profit 214,000, total capital 924,500, total liabilities including capital 1,639,000. Finally, let us prepare the statement of comprehensive position as on 30th September 2020. Statement of comprehensive position as on 30th September 2020. Assets. Current assets. Cash 44,500. Petty cash 26,300. Accounts receivable 120,000. Less provision 6,000. Net accounts receivable 114,000. Closing stock 100,000. Total current assets 284,800. Non-current assets. Land 500,000. Buildings 580,000. Less depreciation 20,000. Net buildings 560,000, equipment 234,000, add additions 60,200, Total equipments 294,200. Total non-current assets 1,354,200. Total assets 1,639,000. Liabilities accounts payable 154,300. Add for the year 60,200. Total liabilities 214,500. Notes payable 500,000. Total liabilities 714,500. Equity capital 710,500. Add profit 214,000. Total equity 924,500. Total liabilities and equity 1,639,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.